Again, we'll step outside. Let the record reflect Fonte, Soretta, Maisley are stepping out. Member Revoldt, the floor is yours.
Thank you. Having served with Mr. Price for over 30 years, he would tell you that I've mellowed in my old age. That I tend to disagree more without being disagreeable. Larry, I want to reiterate how we arrived at the current situation with the clerk. I've said publicly before, and I'll say it again, this was not the ideal solution. Mr. Foltz and I would have liked to have had a full-time clerk. But an extensive canvass for that candidate failed to produce one we could agree on. So the solution we came up with does in fact have a basis in law. It wasn't simply pulled out of thin air, the ether. We did look at the Ohio Revised Code. The fact of the matter is, and I think this is really my point this evening, is as we look to an explanation why we didn't find that ideal clerk, part of the explanation rests in this very chamber. Language and behavior on each side of the dais has been from time to time very disagreeable. And the fact that our meetings are online and available via YouTube discourage candidates. So my appeal has been, you've heard me say it before, and I'm making it again now, is that we should all measure our words and our behavior with great care. Because what's said in this room has real consequence as we try to build a better city.